This nectarine cake is one of the best cake that I ever tasted. This is a perfect dessert in the summer. You can also make it with fresh peaches. Slice nectarines and mix them with juice of a lime and set aside. In a bowl, add eggs, sugar and vanilla and beat them until light and fluffy. Then add oil and mix well. Finally, sift flour and baking powder and beat at low speed until well blended. Grease 6 inches pan, pour 3/4 of the batter into greased pan, put half of sliced nectarines. Then pour the remaining batter on top and add remaining nectarines. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon sugar. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes, let it cool. Dust powdered sugar on top.